For most of our 35 years, we have offered floor covering here at Tip Top. What we are here for today is to announce and educate everyone of our partnership with Carpet One Home and Floor. I am excited about their $1 billion buying power, their extended warranty program, and their beautiful home guarantee, to mention a few. This time, I'd like to introduce Clyde Schrader, our floor covering manager. We are excited to have Clyde join our Tip Top team, bringing his 27 years of floor covering experience to our new Carpet One Floor and Home store. Clyde is no stranger to many of you, especially our friends in Columbia County. Clyde formerly owned and operated Schrader Home Interiors, Carpet One, in Hudson, New York. Clyde?
Thank you, Ken. Just want to thank everybody for coming. I was really honored when Ken first approached me to run the store, and I want to thank him again for allowing me to do that. It's something brand new to Greene County. Floor covering store that can compete with anybody. We have the best warranties, as Ken said, the best prices, and I believe we have the best service. So, again, thank you all for coming, and again, thank you, Ken, for having me here. Appreciate it. We also have Linda Klobb in the department, and Mark Lean, who's out of the store right now for a minute, but I think it's going to be very successful, and again, thank you very much.
Thank you, Clyde. Clyde is dedicated to customer service, which we care very much about. At this time, I would like to introduce Scott from Carpet One and Amanda from Carpet One. Scott is the Chief Operating Officer, and Amanda is Regional Marketing Consultant.
Got it.
Scott?
For those of you who don't know much about Carpet One, we are the world's largest floor covering buying group. By far. We have 1,000 stores worldwide. So not only through North America, we also have stores in Australia and in New Zealand. And I think what truly makes us different as a group is what some of the things that Ken talked about before, which is our buying power. We buy more floor covering today than anybody else in the world. Hands down, bar none. You can ask any of the reps in the marketplace. That is truly what gives us the ability to give stores like Tip Top the competitive edge in the marketplace. It truly makes us different. And last but certainly not least, Ken mentioned before, our warranties. If you take a look around the store that you'll see here, there is nobody that can touch the warranties that we provide to our customers today. We have something called the Beautiful Guarantee, where if you're not happy with that floor covering for any reason, we will rip it up and remove it. It's zero cost to our customer. Because at the end of the day, we want to make sure every customer is happy and enjoy their floor covering. And if they don't, it doesn't matter how much or how long they've had it on their floor. If they don't like it, it's our job to put something down that's going to make them feel good and it's going to last for a very long time. But I think the beauty of having companies like Tip Top and Ken and the entire family here is if you look at our group of 1,000 stores, it is all independently owned mom and pop retailers across the country. And what we try to do is just help to make them better to be able to compete in the marketplace that we're in today with some of the other competitors that we have. And to Ken's point, if you look at the family up here, this is what you will find amongst most of the Carpet One members. It is second, third generation families. And that's the beauty of our group. And I think one of the other things that gives Ken and the family here a great opportunity is that you now are part of more of an extended family of 1,000 stores across the United States. So that if Ken has a question about something, he can call any of the other Carpet One members and ask them how they do it, whether it's in California or in Florida or in Alabama. And I think that's really the beauty of what our group is all about. And we truly look at it as our family, which you're now a part of, and we're truly happy to have you guys. And I think if you ask any of the manufacturers here today, the other thing that we're probably the most proud of, and this is something that Ken talked about before, is ask them who is, generally speaking, the best floor covering retailer within the marketplace. That is who the Carpet One dealer is. It's the best floor covering retailer in any market that you will find. And we are proud that Ken and his family was able to join us. So welcome to the family.
Thank you. Thank you, Scott.